The blood spatter tool will allow you to model blood spatter in multiple different scenarios. As you can see the trajectory of the shot and move across the room and see the blood spatter against the wall. We have multiple tools that we can use. The first is the blood spatter calculator, which utilizes industry standard algorithms. We have a selection tool that allows you to select a blood drop that you wish to measure. Then you can select the measurement tool and you can measure the width and length. We're going to measure the length first and place in our value in millimeters. Then we're going to measure the width and record it in millimeters as well. When we hit calculate, you can see the trajectory in light blue. You can squeeze and trigger on the show trajectory buttons to turn on and off the bullet trajectory. The middle button will toggle on and off the calculated trajectories from the initial shot. The final rightmost button will toggle on and off your trajectories that you calculated so you can see them in reference to the original calculations. To get rid of a tool, simply select it again from the rotary D-pad.